Hi, I am Michele, and I'm going to present the paper about calibration being a fairness requirement, an argument from moral philosophy and decision theory, written together with Christoph Heitz. It is a well-known fact that some of the most intuitive and popular fairness criteria cannot be satisfied at the same time. This is what we may call a predictive fairness dilemma. Here we focus on two such criteria: equality in the false positive and false negative rates, for the sake of brevity, separation, as which you can see, and calibration between groups, for the sake of brevity, sufficiency. Please have a look at the mathematical definitions. It is proven that these two criteria cannot be satisfied at the same time, except in very special cases. One famous illustration is the compass recidivism prediction instrument. According to the measurement of the compass, the prediction satisfies sufficiency and is, for that reason, fair. According to investigative journalists, it does not satisfy separation and is, for that reason, unfair. Notice that this is precisely what one should expect in such case, mathematically speaking. And yet, the argument cannot be fair and unfair at the same time if fair is used with the same meaning. So what we do here is to fix the meaning of unfair to mean it discriminates, and the meaning of fair to mean that opposite is the case. And we fix the meaning of it discriminates according to a very careful definition provided by one of the most influential philosophers of discrimination, Caspar Lisper. Once the meaning of fair is determined in this way, it is possible to show why the answer to whether separation or sufficiency are criteria of fairness depends on the context. It turns out that the crucial condition is condition 5. We built two examples. In the first example, scores are used to provide recommendations to users of a recommendation system. We show that, in this case, a violation of sufficiency causes discrimination and is therefore unfair. In the second example, the quotient scores are used to decide whom to release on parole. Sufficiency is violated, but not separation, and no discrimination results. Hence, this is fair according to the initial definition. In conclusion, whether sufficiency can be violated without unfairness depends on the context. More specifically, the use of the scores in the context determines whether a group will be made worse off in expectation relative to another one, which is essential for discrimination. For more details about the argument, please consider watching the 15-minute presentation.